Okay, students, here is a task. Talk about a friend. Talk for 1 to 2 minutes and consider the following questions in your answer. Who is he or she? How did you meet? Why did you get on well? And what do you usually do together? Okay, I'm going to answer this question. So let's time it. Okay, 2 minutes. All right, are you ready? Starting. And can you please answer the questions for me? So listen for my answers to these 4 questions. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about my friend Pedro. Okay, um, we met Pedro with my wife in Salisbury in around 2011. Okay, um, he was a waiter in a Spanish tapas bar. It was not really very Spanish, to be honest. It was like a kind of poor English imitation of a Spanish tapas bar. But anyway, we ordered some beer, and I said to myself, this guy, I'm sure he's Spanish. So I asked him where he was from, and he told me he was Spanish from Alicante. And because I spent some time living in Spain, we got into a conversation, and then later, just by chance, we met him in another pub just across the road from that one, and he asked us if we would like to go to a party at his place. So we did, and we really got on very well with this guy because he's very open-minded. He has a lot of friends from different countries, different nationalities, different cultures, and so we really like that type of person. And in general, also he's just a very good person. And well, we usually when we haven't seen him actually for a long time, but when we used to go out with him, we went to parties, we met in pubs, we went round to his house, where he was renting, and spent some time with him and his other friends and his flatmate. And yeah, hopefully we will see him again soon because he's a great guy.